Welcome. This is going to be a follow-up to my unboxing video of the Media Hub by Collective Minds. In this video, I'll show you how to properly set up the Media Hub. All you're going to need for this is any 2.5-inch hard drive and any small Phillips head screwdriver. The first thing you'll need to do is install both brackets on each side like this on the hard drive. Then take your screwdriver and we'll screw it in. The next thing you'll need to do is put the hard drive into the Media Hub. It's quite simple. Just push the hard drive down to the bottom and then just slide it in. It may be hard to get in, so I just say just push it with a screwdriver or something. Anything to wedge it. Wedge it in like so. And then close it. Oops. And you're done. Next, I'll show you how to set it up on the Xbox One. To attach the Media Hub to the Xbox One, it's simple as just putting it in and pushing it in. I have a camera in my hand, so it's a bit harder. But you get the gist. Once your Xbox is turned on, all you need to do is go into Settings, System, and then go over to Manage Storage, and you should see your internal storage and external. All you need to do is click on that drive, hit Format for Games and Apps, and then Format Storage Device, and then give it a name. And then either you can choose to install everything new there or keep in your current location. I'm going to keep in my current location since I still have more memory on my hard drive. Then just format storage device. And then wait for it to format. If you have problems seeing your external hard drive, that happened to me, so all you need to do is just unplug your Xbox One, then plug back in, and then turn it on, and that should work best. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and have a good one.